Pinarangalan ang 17 personalidad mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na nagtataguyod ng kapayapaan sa 2025 Sino-Phil Asia International Peace Awards. Kasama sa nakatanggap ng prestihiyosong award ang presidente ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry o PCCI na si Ginang Enunina Nina Mangyo. Narito ang aking report. Isinagawa nitong buwan ng Pebrero ang 2025 Sino-Phil Asia International Peace Awards sa Manila Hotel. Dito, pinarangalan ang nasa 17 mga personalidad mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Sa Pilipinas, pinarangalan ang kasalukuyang presidente ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry o PCCI na si Ginang Enunina Nina Mangyo. Para sa kanya, isang kakaiba at natatanging karangalan ang tanggapin ng award mula sa isang prestihiyosong award-giving body.
It's but natural to be really proud of being an awardee. First, because looking on all the awardees and all the guests, I think we're doing good for the country. Tourism, feel proud that I'm part of this awarding ceremony.
Ilan pa sa pinarangalan sa naturang awarding ceremony ay si King Yuhi V. Emmanuel Bushayija. Siya ay head ng Royal House ng Rwanda. At ang Olympic qualifying athlete mula sa Estados Unidos na si Professor Lorna May Johnson.
Promotion of peace. Peace brings about prosperity, which the world is craving for. So I would urge the participants of this function to promote peace, and that will lead them and their people to prosperity.
I was actually born in Jamaica, grew up in Toronto, Canada, and went to the United States. I've traveled the world working with women and children all over the world. And so that experience, and as an athlete, definitely helps to, give me the stamina, the strength, and the resilience that it takes to face obstacles when you do, travel the world or when you experience different obstacles. So I'm excited about being here. One of my goals are making a difference in human lives.
Ang iba pang pinarangalan ay mula sa mga bansang Australia, China, Czech Republic, French Republic, Hong Kong, Italian Republic, Norway, Turkey, United Kingdom at United States of America. Para sa chairperson ng Sino-Phil Awards na si Billy Chan, mahalaga ang ganitong uri ng pagkikilala sa mga individual na may natatangi at malaking kontribusyon para sa matatag na kapayapaan sa daigdig.
Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, is celebrated as a man of peace, the national hero. Your national hero, Debbie, laid brief just this morning. This man who championed education and dialogue over violence, with using his fountain pen instead of a sword, inspired so many people through his impactful writings. And his legacy is respected globally, which underscored the worldwide recognition and appreciation of his ideals of peace and justice.
Binubuo ito ng iba't ibang individual mula sa healthcare professionals, industriya ng academics, artists, journalists, policy makers at philanthropists mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na ang layunin ay mas mapalaganap pa ang kapayapaan at masimula ito mula sa individual patungo sa institusyon. Highlights ng naturang awarding ceremony ay mapapanood sa mga susunod na episodes ng Open for Business.